Schema Markup. Today we are exploring a powerful tool that can take your search engine listing to next level. We'll show you how to use it to enhance your search engine listing. Let's start by understanding what a Schema Markup is and why it's so valuable. Schema Markup is a structured data vocabulary that you can add to your website code. It provides search engines with specific information about your content, making it more understandable and enhancing your search listings. Here's why a Schema Markup is crucial. Benefit number 1. Enhanced search listings. When you use a Schema Markup, your search results can include additional information like ratings, reviews, prices, and more. Benefit number 2. Better user experience. Enhanced listings grab user attention, provide more information, and can increase the click-through rate to your website. Benefit number 3. Rich snippets. A Schema Markup can lead to rich snippets, which are more visually appealing and informative in search results. Now, let's talk about how to use a Schema Markup to enhance your search listings. A Schema Markup can be added to your website HTML code, but you don't have to be a coding expert. Here is how. Step number 1. Identify relevant schema types. Determine which schema types are most relevant to your content, such as articles, events, and products or reviews. Step number 2. Implement the markup. You can either add the code directly to your HTML or use a Schema Markup generator tools to create the code. Step number 3. Test and validate. Use Google Structured Data Testing tool to ensure your markup is error-free and working correctly. Step number 4. Monitor and update. Keep an eye on your search listings and update your Schema Markup as needed to reflect the changes in your content. A Schema Markup is a game changer for SEO. It enhances search listing, provides more information, and improves the user experience.